beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lartini. In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on one of the best affordable lightening, glowing, brightening shower gel. In this video, I'll share with you guys how this shower gel works properly on the skin. And this shower gel is from Togo, precisely Lome Laves. I want to share my honest review on BB Clear shower gel. BB Clear is one of the best trending products in the market, or one of the best affordable products in the market, especially the shower gel. This shower gel exfoliates the skin, it cleans the skin, it clears spots on the skin, it clears stretch marks on the skin, and it's lighting the skin, it's brightening the skin, it glows the skin, and it's whitening the skin consistently of usage. Okay, in this video I'll share with you guys what BB Clear shower gel is. I'll share with you guys some few ingredients that I use to formulate this BB Clear shower gel. I'll go ahead and share with you guys who should use this BB Clear shower gel, how you should use this BB Clear shower gel, and the side effects of using this BB Clear shower gel. Beautiful people, if you are new to my channel, my name is Lartini. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you will be the first to receive a notification from me. And to my return subscribers, I am so happy for your support, for your love, for your care. You are the reason why this channel is growing. I really appreciate you guys, and God bless you so much. Now let's divert into the main job of this BB Clear shower gel. BB Clear shower gel is a product from Togo or Lome. As I stated it earlier, it's a very good exfoliating shower gel. It's very good for cleaning the skin. It's very good for removing dirt on the skin. It's very good for clearing stretch marks on the skin, and it's also very good for glowing and brightening the skin. Now, the few ingredients that I use to formulate this BB Clear shower gel are citric acid, sodium chloride, kojic acid, vitamin C, and other natural ingredients. Someone may ask, does it contain hydroquine? Honestly, this product does not contain hydroquine, and it's recommended for all skin type. Even a sensitive skin person can use this BB Clear shower gel. A normal skin person can use it, a dry skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, and also a normal skin person can use it. The good news about this shower gel is that it clears stretch marks on the skin. If you have a very severe stretch marks on the skin, just be patient and use this shower gel consistently. And in fact, if you have a stretch marks and you are using this shower gel, make sure you get a very nice oil like bio oil, recovery oil, or any nice oil and use with this shower gel. And trust me, you're gonna see a very massive result on your skin. Okay, it glows the skin, it's lighting the skin, it's brightening the skin, it removes dead skin cell, it cleans the skin, it brings out your natural glow, it clears dark spots on your skin, it clears stretch marks on your skin, and it also gives you that kind of radiant skin tone. Okay, it also works on uneven tone skin as well. Okay, you know, I would like us to open it and smell how it is to know the fragrance, and also see how the texture is. You know, I think we have two types of this shower gel. We have the one that contain the body scrub, and we have this one which does not contain the body scrub, but both of them plays a very good specific roles on the skin. So this is how this BB Clear shower gel is. Wow, it smells like aloe vera, but on the ingredients, I didn't see any aloe vera on it. It smells so nice. Hmm. 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 BB Clear products are very good, especially if you have dark spots. Their products are very good for clearing dark spots. So this is how the shower gel is. I don't know if you can really see it very well. Let me pour it again for us to see. Yay! It smells so nice. It smells so nice. So before bathing, you can apply it on your skin. Okay, you apply it all over the skin and wait for some minutes, probably 10 to 15 minutes before going to the bathhouse. Okay, make sure you apply it on the skin very well, but please do not apply it on your face. Okay, it's a very strong product, so do not apply it on the face. This is how this product looks like. So you can apply it for 15 minutes before going to the bathhouse. You know, when it happens like that, it cleans the skin, okay, and it brings out your natural glow. It also exfoliates the skin as well, and it lathers a lot. It really lathers a lot. Now the side effect of using this BB Clear shower gel is that it irritates the skin, and moreover it itches the skin. And do not use it and expose the body under the sun. Okay, it helps to glow the skin, it helps to nourish the skin, it helps to bring out your natural glow, and it smells very nice. It's a very good clarifying shower gel. This is how it is. You know, I said it earlier that we have the one that contains body scrub and the one that does not contain body scrub, which is this one, and they all play the same role on the skin. The one which contains the body scrub is very good. Okay, it also exfoliates the skin, it eliminates dead skin cell, and it's lighting and brightening the skin. If you want to whiten your skin whilst using this BB Clear shower gel, you have to use it consistently. Okay, you have to use it every single blessed day. You are supposed to use it twice a day, morning and evening, morning and evening, so you are done using it. And moreover, when you are using this product within a month to 2 months, you would be able to see a massive result on your skin. Some people start seeing the result very early, like from 14 days and above. So BB Clear shower gels removes dead skin cell, it lightens the skin, it glows the skin, it eliminates dead skin cell, and also it's brightening the skin as well. So you can leave a comment under the video if you have ever used BB Clear shower gel before. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. See you in my next video. Have a nice day and you stay blessed. Bye bye. All I want